How to get rid of bad breath naturally with cinnamon. Halitosis, often known as bad breath, is a type of problem to a lot of us. The mouth area could be filled with pathoenic agents. You might have been struggling with dental and gum issues, or might be, you've just consumed some smelly foods. But largest is, it must be cured. Even though there are extremely plenty of selections for commercially accessible mouthwash, they consist of chemicals. So, let's discover the homemade cinnamon mouthwash recipe and provide our breath a refreshing boost. Lemon and cinnamon rinse. Add some juice of just 1 lemon along with a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to a glass of water. Stir it using a spoon to combine all of the ingredients. Make use of this water to wash the mouth area a minimum of 2 times per day. Clove and cinnamon tea. Give a teaspoon each freshly ground cloves and cinnamon to a glass of boiling water. Simmer water for 10 minutes, strain the tea and drink it gradually. You are able to drink this tea 2 times per day. Baking soda and cinnamon paste. Give a teaspoon all of baking soda and ground cinnamon inside a bowl. Then add water into it and blend well to create a paste. Brush the teeth with this particular paste. Do this again 2 times per day.